integrating modern and intelligent approaches with efficiency for soil nutrient deficiency detection. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The essentiality of soil health to the vitality of our planet cannot be overstated. This complex ecosystem teems with microscopic organisms and vital nutrients that foster the growth of plants, feeding into the cycle of life that sustains us all. The application of intelligent technologies, particularly artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, in detecting soil nutrient deficiencies is revolutionizing modern agriculture. While traditional soil nutrient analysis methods are effective, they are often costly, time-consuming, and lack real-time insights. Emerging intelligent approaches overcome these limitations by providing rapid, accurate assessments, enabling precise and timely fertilization. Case studies, such as those of Indian startups Cropin and Fasal, illustrate the successful implementation of AI-driven solutions, leading to improved crop yields, optimized fertilizer use, and enhanced sustainability. This article explores current advancements, ongoing research, and future prospects, emphasizing AI's role not only in detection but also in predictive nutrient management. Additionally, it outlines a roadmap for farmers and stakeholders, guiding them in adopting these technologies by understanding their potential, selecting appropriate tools, and fostering a culture of innovation. Overall, integrating intelligent approaches into soil nutrient management paves the way for a more efficient, sustainable, and economically viable agricultural future. For successful adoption, farmers and stakeholders must embrace change, leverage available resources, and seek continuous learning and collaboration. Introduction. Soil health is essential for growing healthy crops and supporting the environment. Good soil is full of nutrients and living organisms that help plants grow. However, if the balance of these nutrients is off, either too little or too much, it can harm plants and reduce crop yields. Traditionally, checking soil health has involved lab tests or looking at plant symptoms, but these methods can be slow, expensive, and sometimes inaccurate. As a result, farmers might use too much fertilizer, which can pollute the environment and waste money. Thankfully, modern technology offers better solutions. With the help of artificial intelligence, AI, and smart sensors, we can now get real-time information about what nutrients the soil needs. Machine learning, a part of AI, can study large amounts of data to accurately predict nutrient deficiencies and help guide better farming practices. These digital tools allow farmers to use the right amount of fertilizer at the right time, which improves crop health, protects the environment, and saves costs. This approach, known as precision farming, is transforming agriculture into a more efficient, sustainable, and smart industry. Conclusion. Intelligent approaches offer a revolutionary way to detect soil nutrient deficiencies. By integrating AI and machine learning into traditional farming practices, we can improve crop yields, reduce environmental impact, and enhance farmers' economic viability. The successful cases of Cropin and Fasal in India underscore this potential. As we move forward, advancements in sensor technology and AI algorithms promise even greater possibilities. For successful adoption, farmers and stakeholders must embrace change, leverage available resources, and seek continuous learning and collaboration. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.